Hi friends, today I'm going to be making Kuzukiri. Look at these beautiful translucent noodles. Well, it looks like noodles, but it's a special summer treat for us. Nara prefecture, where I live, is famous for its high-quality arrowroot, as known as Kuzu. Arrowroot is one of the starches that thicken up the liquid, as well as cornstarch and potato starch. Because the arrowroot or Kuzu has a special bouncy and gooey texture and a natural sweetness to it, so it makes it so different. And Kuzu is one of the Chinese medicine that cures cold and improves your respiratory condition. Okay, let's get started.
First, we are making dark sugar syrup. This is a dark sugar from my father's birthplace, which is not easy to find in any other place. It has a deep, complicated taste with a mild sweetness. Not refined and tastes like molasses, and all the minerals still remaining in it, so it tastes like nature. We are using 70 grams of dark sugar and 30 grams of crystal sugar to make it light and prevent crystallizing. It is too rich when you use 100% of dark sugar, so let's balance it out with crystallized sugar. This sugar is so soft that you can pinch it to break it down. If yours are not soft enough, chop it on a cutting board. Put it in a pot with crystallized sugar and water and bring it to a boil. Cook on medium-low heat for a couple of minutes and skim off the scum. Transfer to another container and let it cool. Dark sugar syrup is the traditional sauce for Kuzukiri, but I'm making another delicious sauce, matcha syrup. Mix 1 teaspoon of matcha powder and 1 tablespoon of water into a smooth paste. In this way, you don't have any lumps of matcha and you can utilize all the matcha. Matcha is rather expensive, so I want to use all of it. Put all the ingredients into a pot and bring it to a boil. Cook on medium-low heat for a couple of minutes, then transfer to another container and let it cool. Now let's make Kuzukiri. It's real quick and you should taste the freshly made Kuzukiri for the best experience. Mix arrowroot and water well. My arrowroot starch is already powdered, but it usually comes in chunks. In that case, pour over the water and let it stand for a couple of minutes and then mix it. You will easily dissolve in water. Bring water to a boil in a large pot. Prepare icy cold water to cool it down. Mix the arrowroot and water again to even it out. And pour the half of the mixture into a container and then grab it with your tongue. Cook it over the boiling water until the mixture is cooked and no longer liquid. And then submerge into hot water until it turns translucent. Cook another half a minute and submerge into icy cold water to stop cooking. Peel off from the corner and release in water. And this is your Kuzukiri seed. Cut into 5 mm width to make it easy to eat. And put it in a serving bowl with icy cold water and then serve with dark sugar and matcha syrup. Pick up Kuzukiri with your chopsticks and dip it into a sauce and slap it like you are eating udon noodles or soba noodles. Freshly made Kuzukiri has a unique texture. It's bouncy and chewy with a gentle sweetness. We have enjoyed this classic dessert for a long time. It is a genuine taste of nature. It cools down your body temperature and it's good for your gut. As I said, it is one of the Chinese medicine to cure your cold, so it's going to regulate your body from the inside. You can have a dried version, but the taste is so different. I'll put the Amazon link for Arrowroot starch, so I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And go to my website for more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!